Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Spotted this one, new bright Hummer H3. It's toy grade, as we probably know, anybody who knows. And of course it's missing the battery pack. £2 this cost me in Sue Rider. 40 megahertz. So I guess best thing we can do is rig up a temporary battery just to see if it works before we start worrying about anything. Right, I've got a 8-pack of AA batteries. Positive over there, negative over there. Oh, because it didn't come with a controller either, so this is one of my controllers that I have, which just happens to be new bright. Nothing. Check the batteries are making contact. Oh yeah, that's better. Bit of a wobble on this back wheel. So I expect it's been trodden on or something, or somebody sat on it. I think it's struggling like that because that's probably not enough power. So I need to rig something up so we can get a bit of decent power into it. 4 AA, 8 AA's, 12 volts, so a 3S LiPo should do the job, shouldn't it? But we need some sort of connectors that we can connect on. To these tags. I'll see what I can come up with. There's a quick modification. I just made up a lead with the connector on it, soldered directly to the existing tags. Obviously not the neatest way of doing it, but I'll wrap something round there to hold it in place. Looks a bit more positive now, doesn't it? I'll wrap something round there and we'll give it a try. That's just some Velcro. It's actually garden Velcro for tying up the plants. I don't think this controller has got much range on it. Those wheels are actually gripping much better than I expected. I thought it was going to spin round up there. Yeah. Well, there we go. 3S LiPo. And it works, but I might need to find a slightly more powerful transmitter so we get a bit of range with it. Can't get it to spin round up there. Yeah. Different controller, I think, but good enough to let us know it works. So we might have some fun with that. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.